Picture this: sliding into a car without the struggle. No crouching, no awkward bending, no twisting yourself into an uncomfortable seat. Instead, you step in with ease, sit tall with a clear view of the road ahead, and know that every detail inside is designed for your comfort and safety. That's the beauty of the right SUV, especially for seniors. Higher seating positions, stress-free visibility, and advanced safety features transform driving into a relaxing experience instead of a daily challenge. And in 2025, some SUVs truly stand out for making life on the road smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. In today's video, we're breaking down the 6 best SUVs that seniors can buy without hesitation this year, from practical everyday companions to luxurious options that deliver peace of mind. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which SUV could be your perfect match. Toyota RAV4, the safe and spacious all-rounder. Kicking off our list at number 6 is a name you've probably heard before, the Toyota RAV4. And there's a good reason why it's one of the most popular SUVs in the world. For seniors, it's more than just a car. It's a stress-free, reliable, and comfortable everyday companion. One of the biggest advantages of the RAV4 is ease of entry and exit. The seat height is just right, not too low like a sedan where you have to crouch, and not too high where you need to climb up. Add in wide-opening doors, and getting behind the wheel or into the passenger seat feels effortless every single time. Once you're inside, the benefits keep coming. The RAV4 offers outstanding visibility with large windows and well-positioned mirrors that cut down blind spots. For seniors who want to feel in control on the road, that clear, elevated view makes driving safer and more relaxing. The interior design is practical and spacious, with plenty of legroom and headroom so you never feel cramped, even on longer road trips. The seats are supportive and built for comfort, which means less fatigue, less back strain, and a more enjoyable drive overall. Technology is another area where the RAV4 shines. Toyota has kept it simple and senior-friendly with an intuitive infotainment system, available in either an 8-inch or a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen. Whether you're adjusting the settings, using navigation, or connecting your smartphone, the interface is straightforward and easy to use, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. And of course, safety is where the RAV4 truly delivers. Every model comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes adaptive cruise control that automatically maintains a safe following distance, lane departure warning with steering assist to keep you centered, pre-collision detection with pedestrian alerts, and even automatic high beams that adjust to traffic conditions. Put all of this together, and the RAV4 becomes the definition of a worry-free driving experience. It's reliable, practical, and designed with seniors in mind, making it a top pick for those who want comfort, peace of mind, and a safe ride every time they hit the road. Honda CR-V, the reliable, everyday companion. At number 5 on our list is a true crowd favorite, the Honda CR-V. This SUV has built its reputation on reliability and practicality, but what makes it especially appealing to seniors is how effortless and stress-free it feels to drive day after day. The first thing you'll notice about the CR-V is its ideal size. Unlike larger, bulkier SUVs that can be difficult to maneuver, the CR-V is compact and well-balanced. That means pulling into tight parking spaces, backing out of your driveway, or navigating through crowded city streets is far less intimidating. For seniors who don't want the hassle of wrestling with a massive vehicle, this is a major advantage. Getting in and out is another highlight. Thanks to the higher seating position, there's no crouching down like in a sedan, and no climbing up like in some taller SUVs. The seat height is perfect for smooth entry and exit, saving you from unnecessary strain on your knees and back. Once you're inside, the CR-V continues to impress. The interior is roomy and thoughtfully designed, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. Large windows and well-positioned mirrors give you excellent visibility, reducing blind spots and helping you feel more confident and secure behind the wheel. For older drivers, that clear view of the road is not just a convenience. It's an important safety factor. But where the CR-V really shines is in its ride quality. Honda engineered this SUV with a suspension system that absorbs bumps and road imperfections gracefully. Whether you're just running errands around town or heading out on a long trip, the CR-V delivers a smooth, cushioned, and stable ride that minimizes fatigue and discomfort. And of course, safety is a top priority. The CR-V comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite, one of the most advanced driver assist systems in its class. This includes adaptive cruise control that automatically adjusts your speed to keep a safe distance from the car ahead, lane keeping assist that gently helps you stay centered, and collision mitigation braking, which can detect obstacles and apply the brakes if necessary to prevent accidents. These features don't just protect you, they make driving easier and less stressful. All in all, the Honda CR-V is exactly what its name suggests, a reliable everyday companion. It's easy to handle, extremely comfortable, packed with safety features, and designed with seniors in mind. If you're looking for an SUV that blends practicality with peace of mind, the CR-V is a choice you can't go wrong with. Lexus NX, the luxury SUV for a smooth ride. At number 4, we move into the world of luxury with the Lexus NX, an SUV that proves seniors don't have to compromise between comfort, style, and reliability. Built under Toyota's luxury brand, the NX offers an upscale experience while still delivering the durability and peace of mind that Toyota vehicles are famous for. One of the biggest reasons the Lexus NX is a standout choice for seniors is its effortless blend of elegance and practicality. Many luxury SUVs look fantastic, but can be expensive to maintain and overly complicated to use. The NX avoids these pitfalls. It's not just built to impress, it's built to last, making it a smart long-term investment for those who want stress-free ownership. Let's talk safety and ease of driving, because that's where the NX really shines. Standard features include adaptive cruise control that automatically keeps a safe distance from cars ahead, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection to help prevent accidents, and blind spot monitoring, which makes changing lanes less risky. These driver assist tools are especially useful for seniors who value extra confidence and support on the road. And if you step up to higher trims, you'll get even more convenience, like parking assist, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system. For anyone who dreads squeezing into tight parking spaces or navigating crowded areas, these features make the experience smoother, safer, and much less stressful. Inside, the NX offers an exceptionally smooth and refined ride. Lexus has tuned the suspension for comfort, meaning bumps and rough patches in the road are absorbed with ease. The result is a ride that feels stable, gentle, and composed, perfect for reducing fatigue on longer journeys. Add to that supportive seats with excellent ergonomics, and you get a driving experience that feels calm and controlled from start to finish. Another highlight of the NX is its fuel efficiency, especially for a luxury SUV. Lexus offers hybrid options like the NX 350h and the plug-in hybrid NX 450h Plus, which not only save money at the pump, but also allow for short all-electric drives. For seniors who want to cut down on fuel costs without sacrificing performance or comfort, these hybrid models are a game-changer. In short, the Lexus NX is luxury done right for seniors. It's comfortable, easy to drive, full of advanced safety technology, and efficient to run. If you've ever thought luxury was too complicated or too costly, the NX proves that you can have both sophistication and simplicity in one refined package. Mazda CX-90, spacious, comfortable, and senior-friendly. Coming in at number 3 is the Mazda CX-90, a full-sized SUV that proves bigger doesn't have to mean bulkier or harder to handle. Unlike many large SUVs that feel intimidating on the road, the CX-90 is designed with ergonomics, comfort, and ease of use in mind, making it an excellent fit for seniors who want extra space without the extra hassle. One of the standout qualities of the CX-90 is its roomy, versatile interior. With 3 rows of seating, it offers plenty of flexibility, whether you're driving the grandkids to soccer practice, heading out on a road trip, or simply wanting more cargo space for daily errands. Despite its size, the design ensures that every passenger has ample legroom and headroom, so no one feels cramped, even on longer drives. But what really sets the CX-90 apart is its focus on comfort. The seats are carefully contoured to provide excellent lumbar support, which is a huge plus for seniors who may struggle with back discomfort during long trips. Heated and ventilated seat options make the cabin pleasant in any season, warm in the winter, cool in the summer, turning every drive into a relaxed experience. Mazda also prioritizes safety technology in the CX-90. Standard features include blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist to gently guide you back if you drift, and rear cross-traffic alert, which makes backing out of parking spaces much safer. One particularly senior-friendly feature is the driver attention alert system, which monitors signs of fatigue or distraction and reminds you to take a break. For those longer journeys, this added layer of protection can make all the difference. When it comes to the driving experience, Mazda is known for delivering a refined and smooth ride, and the C90 continues that tradition. Its suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, reducing vibrations and keeping the cabin stable and quiet. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the CX-90 feels composed and confidence-inspiring. And for seniors who care about fuel efficiency, Mazda offers a plug-in hybrid version of the C90. This allows for short all-electric drives, perfect for errands around town, while still providing the full power of a gas engine for longer trips. It's a smart way to save money on fuel without giving up the size, strength, and practicality of a full-sized SUV. Altogether, the Mazda CX-90 is spacious, senior-friendly, and highly versatile. It delivers the comfort of a luxury SUV, the safety of modern driver assist technology, and the practicality of a family-ready design. For seniors who want space, comfort, and peace of mind, the C90 checks every box. Kia Sportage, comfortable, modern, and safe. At number 2, we have the Kia Sportage, an SUV that proves comfort and modern design can go hand in hand with safety and practicality. For seniors, the Sportage stands out because it's easy to live with day after day, offering smooth entry, a spacious cabin, and an impressive list of safety features that take the stress out of driving. One of the Sportage's biggest advantages is its senior-friendly design. Wide door openings and an elevated seating position make getting in and out effortless. You won't have to crouch down like in a sedan or climb up like in a taller SUV. Entry and exit feel natural and smooth, which is especially important for anyone with limited mobility. Once inside, the Sportage greets you with a roomy and comfortable interior. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for both driver and passengers, making long journeys far more enjoyable. The driver's seat is adjustable and comes with lumbar support, helping to reduce back strain and fatigue. For seniors who spend hours on the road, that extra support can make a world of difference. On the road, the Sportage offers a balanced and quiet ride. Kia has fine-tuned its suspension to absorb bumps and rough patches without jarring the cabin, so every drive feels smoother and more controlled. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a highway trip, the Sportage delivers confidence without the stress. But what truly sets the Sportage apart is its safety technology. Even in the standard model, you'll find advanced features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. These systems work quietly in the background to keep you safe and help prevent accidents. If you move up to higher trims, the safety net gets even stronger. 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control come into play. Adaptive cruise control is especially helpful in traffic, as it automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead. For seniors who want driving to feel easier and less stressful, these features are invaluable. Beyond safety, the Sportage also adds modern touches like intuitive infotainment controls, smartphone integration, and a thoughtfully laid out dashboard that's easy to use without distractions. Kia has made sure that convenience is always at your fingertips. In short, the Kia Sportage is comfortable, safe, and easy to drive. It combines practical design with modern technology, making it an excellent choice for seniors who want peace of mind and comfort in a stylish package. Subaru Forester, safe, dependable, and senior-friendly. Finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Subaru Forester, an SUV that has earned its reputation as one of the safest, most dependable vehicles on the road. For seniors, it's not just a car, it's a true confidence booster, designed to make every drive feel secure, stable, and stress-free. One of the Forester's greatest strengths is its practical and accessible design. Wide door openings and a perfect seat height make getting in and out effortless. There's no awkward bending or climbing required, just a smooth, natural step inside. Once seated, you'll immediately notice the generous headroom and legroom, which means both driver and passengers can stay comfortable even on long trips. Comfort extends beyond just space. The Forester offers a power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, helping reduce back strain and fatigue during extended drives. For seniors who may deal with discomfort after long periods behind the wheel, this thoughtful design feature makes a world of difference. Visibility is another area where the Forester excels. Thanks to its large windows and well-designed windshield, drivers get a clear, unobstructed view of the road. This wide visibility reduces blind spots and makes maneuvering much easier, something older drivers deeply appreciate when navigating traffic or parking. But what truly elevates the Forester above the rest is its standard all-wheel drive system. While many SUVs only offer it as an upgrade, Subaru includes it on every Forester. That means superior traction and stability whether you're driving in rain, snow, or over uneven terrain. For seniors living in areas with unpredictable weather, this feature provides unmatched peace of mind. When it comes to safety technology, Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system is among the best in the industry. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure prevention, and pre-collision braking, all designed to keep you safe and reduce the chances of accidents. These systems work seamlessly in the background, giving drivers extra support without making things complicated. And the ride itself? The Forester delivers a smooth, stable, and balanced driving experience. Subaru has engineered it to feel planted on the road, so you'll enjoy a comfortable, composed ride whether you're running errands or setting out on a long journey. Put it all together, and the Subaru Forester checks every box seniors care about. Easy accessibility, excellent visibility, proven safety, all-weather capability, and dependable comfort. That's why it rightfully takes the top spot as the best SUV seniors can buy without hesitation in 2025. So, there you have it, the 6 SUVs that seniors can buy in 2025 without a second thought. From the reliable Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, to the refined Lexus NX, the spacious Mazda CX-90, the modern Kia Sportage, and the safe, all-weather Subaru Forester, each of these vehicles brings its own strengths to the table. Whether you value easy entry and exit, superior visibility, advanced safety features, or simply the peace of mind that comes with a dependable ride, these SUVs deliver exactly what seniors need to stay confident and comfortable on the road. But now the question is, which one would you choose? Do you prefer the practicality of the CR-V, the luxury feel of the Lexus NX, or the rugged dependability of the Subaru Forester? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car-related insights that make your next drive smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Safe driving, and we'll see you in the next one.